Happy New Year, guys. Hope everyone is happy about this new year. You know, another road to go. Just a quick update. We finished the sanding, but it's still some holes like this need to be sanded again after the compound. This is almost finished. This too. This room too. You know, I'm happy because we managed somehow to, you know, scrap the popcorn off the ceiling and then a little bit compound on the ceiling and then sand the ceiling, and then we did the same thing to the walls. You know, the painting is not hard at this point because the sanding is way more harder, and if you don't like sand, if you don't take your time to really, you know, sand the walls and the ceiling really good, you know, the paint won't stick later. So this is done, this is done, this is done too. Right here I'm on this wall. You know, I had a little bit compound in here too. These were the holes where they were screws. I didn't touch these yet. I'm right here. So I'm a little bit sore. I'm a little bit tired because I haven't slept as good. I guess like everybody else, you know, New Year Eve with the kids and everybody. So, but what we can do, you know, we gotta finish. So thank you guys for everything, and keep watching, you know. This is like gives me motivation and inspires me. And if you have any question, anything, so please don't be shy. Just ask me on the comments section. And that's it. I had these new plastic glasses because the black ones, they weren't good. The sands on them. So this is better. All right. Let's get back at it. Show you closer how you do it, so you will know how to do it. Don't push on it. Let it flow by itself, you know. You only need the surface to be smooth. No bumps, no imperfection. So don't go like, just let your arm flow. Closer. This is dead. We still have to finish with this, the upper corner. No. This is dead. Gotta change this. Hold on. These from Home Depot. 150 is the medium. You know, you don't need like thinner or stronger. You're just making the surface, you know, a little bit smooth so you can paint, so the paint stick. This is easy, you know, just you clip it up. Do with this at the edge, so you can do the corners. I think we should be good. All right. All right. Reggaeton. There's some old popcorn paint, you know, it's pain in the ass, so I'm gonna change this is stronger, so I can work around it. Hopefully it will come off. Let me show you real quick. You see? You see how smooth now? You know, you work your way around and you found the tool that, you know, makes you comfortable and that gets you the job done. When you don't have a space to work with the machine or with the long one, get this one, you know, with this side. right, guys. I still got a lot of work to do, but I can't record everything because already 20 minutes and 60 minutes before, so I don't know, I'm gonna try something on CapCut later to make it go faster, or if you want guys to go on a normal rate, normal speed, whatever, man. I hope you have a great, comeback day, and you gotta do it, man. All right, peace out.